Naturific Picture Frame! Perfect picture frames for hanging your naturific masterpieces! Onward and artward! Here's what you'll need, fellow nature art lovers. Sticks or driftwood, twine, safety scissors, tape and glue, craft supplies like paint and colorful yarn. I love yarn! Step 1, gather your materials. Time to explore. When you're gathering sticks or driftwood, make sure to get at least 4. Look for pieces with interesting bark or patterns in the wood. Methinks you should stay away from sticks that are too big or too small because they won't work as well. Look for leaves and other nature treasures along the way. You may want to add them to your frame as decorations. Step 2. Take 4 sticks or pieces of driftwood that are about the same length and thickness. Make a square or rectangle. Lay the end of one stick on top of the other. Wrap twine several times around the 2 pieces, making an X shape. Tie a knot or a bow. Trim off the ends of your knots. Gently, gently. Repeat for each corner. You did it! Looks amazing! Step 3. Now it's time to decorate your frame. Here are some ideas to get you started and help you feel inspired. You can add color by using brightly colored yarn. I like to use different colors for each side of my nature frame. It looks magnificent. Hey, what? Paint is a fast way to brighten up your frame's look. Wow, amazing! Try adding dry leaves or flowers to the corners. You can even add a chain of daisies or clovers. Wow, that looks amazing! You are a true nature artiste. Now, let's hang our picture frames. You can add multiple pieces of artwork to one frame, like this. You can punch holes in the top and bottom of the paper and tie it to the frame. You can also stretch 1 or 2 pieces of twine across the frame and secure it with knots on each end. Attach your artwork using clips or clothespins. You did it! You made a naturific picture frame! Hang your artwork together with your friends for a gallery show.